So hello, this is Classic Techart and welcome to another video. So I'm gonna here just to learn today the MS Word. So MS Word is important because whenever you go to the work in the office, you must need to know some tricks and tips for the MS Word. So I'm gonna talk just a short friendly bit. So what can I do? First of all, I go to the here. I need first the type. So heading. What is the heading? I go to the firstly type. I I love my camera. Because here you see, I need to select all the things and I go here. So I need it now. Put this one center. You see center, and I need it now. Just hold here and go to the bigger. So how should I go to the bigger? You see, it's bigger. So now this is the question. Sometimes we need a two background color. So how can I do? You see here is a background color. Just here, you see, it's a happen the background color. So again, what can I do? I needed sometimes we needed to here, right here something. So what can I do? You see, you cannot anything. You cannot do anything here. Sorry, down here. Oh, sorry, down here. Okay, this color. I'm sorry for that. Let's just put some color. Okay, it doesn't matter. But I cannot sometimes whenever you if you do say like that, you need a mass the page number or something written is necessary. This issue how to solve. Go to the home or insert here and go to the shape and go here text box. Now this is something like there. Here, right here page number I think like that. It's 01. So this is zero. But now this rectangle, how can I do remove? So select this one, we insert and layout and go to the web text and not like this where I see where is it happening. So go here, I need to the where is it? I go to the shapes format. Where is it format? Shapes format. Go to the insert layout, shape format. Okay, I need to. So guys, so sometimes with the shape outline, go to the here. You see, already done this one. Okay, you see how is the magic. So now I need something here. The first like that, first number, second number, third number. How can I do? I need first of all the heading like that. Okay, heading or something, matter. But whenever I'm writing here something like that, so what should I do? How can I now write here the first or second like that? So I need to select this one, go here and look here. No, not like that. But okay, and set to plus like that. You see? So what should I do? This X one like that. This one also. So it is easy. So delete all the things right now. So I need to now some text. Go here home page. I need to now just to this all the things. Go to do some tricks like that. Okay, and I don't know, just here, run that thing. Yeah. So it runs. So here, just see one, two, so three, enter. You see some text is coming here. Design it a little bit small here. All the things like 12 or something. So what should I do? Well, how I can space sometimes we need the space of this text or typography. So we need space how to do this one. You see how to space like that. You see how much you need. Just select all the things and like that. It's good. So sometimes we need here just to specify some words like that. I like that. I need to now specify this one. How can I specify it bold and other one like that? Suppose I needed this issue. Sure, the same one. You see? Oh, sorry, it's not happened. But I need to again here specify. Hold on, but I need now to go back this previous. So what can I do? I go to here and I go to the clear all format. This you see? Oh my god, how is happening? It's a magic, total magic. So now what is this? I need now heading again here just to that like that heading and I need on the list of the heading. How can I do? Like that class and I go here, select these things and I go here for the class. This one, this format, which one I need? This one, that one, this one. Which one? You can select anything. So I needed this one. Okay, now just right here, actually copy all the things like that. You see, it's a very good and a fantastic way. If you do like that here, you must need these tricks for the Amazon. So this is fantastic way. And I need a now table. Sometimes we need a table. How can I do this table? You see? How can I do? I go to the insert, especially, then go here table. One, two, three, four. Like that. I just select all the things. You see? The table happened. So I need to now just serial and I go to the name and I go to the clock and go to the sorry attendance attendance like that. I suppose this one like that. This is table. Okay, so I need to now just name like that picture and Daniel. So these are all. So this is just this side, but I need to now just I need to just to sorry I need to now put it in the center. How can I do? How can I do? Put it in the center. How can I do? Now go to the layout or okay and where is it? I need now just to over. I'm searching for the rabbit tags. So sorry for this way. Okay, I got it. You see middle. You see this side. You see. many options over here. You can do anything. Or to skip some space, you go to the here, you see, little bit here, you see how it's happening. So this is the magic. All the things, this is the magic. So again, if you needed this one, this together will be one. So just you select this one and go to the here table and oh sorry, no. Just go to the here the merchants, you see, together. And if you need to just again back, you go insert the table and rotate table and go over here. You see all this magic. So this is all the things. This is fantastic way. If you remember it, you can do many things in the office, and you can imagine you are the magician if you do like that in the office. So again, just I needed sometimes we need here just put the picture. Go here. Oh sorry, I need it now. Just select this site for the picture. Go here for the picture. I just select this one and I just put but this is the dangerous problem. If you don't have any idea about it, then it makes a problem. You see, I cannot move anywhere this picture because this is default setting. So I need to first of all go here, go to the layout, go to the wrap text, and go in front of the text. You see, this is you cannot now move anywhere. You see, so this is the magic. If you don't have enough idea about it, you cannot do anything. So you see. How this is the magic. And there is another magic you see. How can I do you see? Is through. Whenever you move all the things, the space will be empty for the picture. You see? This is also the magic. So, dear guys, or dear follower friends, this is all this MS Word for today. So I think it will be more benefit for you. Stay tuned and watch and subscribe my channels. Thanks for watching.